Kublai pi baro shaka tup khubor jongi ke Bosco Media Network. Kimat kiba kongsan menta kesingi kilong. Markhamat ya kendo uba preston ya upop liu bakat saw havatakan. Hab urang ba na lai mala ha kalong kumi kabayad denti. Rakhi singi pelat ya ke Meghalaya na tersim huduma. Ban let jurip ka kanhun sorkar ya ke jingrung ki bril na Bangladesh. Bat mentang ini apai syiki Khubor ki bakamnya. Usembut Menteri Rangba ba Preston Tensong haka step singi balang arpau tarik Nailar hajar arpusan ulaya kendo markmat bat ukpa bakhoj pop liu bakat saw havatakan ban pan jengker khu nagbenta ke Jylla bat ki nongsong snong baro. Kat kum ke kerwo balayo laya thu hakane ke jingya kendo ke para marwai. Na kaliang ukpa bakhoj ula paru ke jing ai kublai bat jingker khu syiki nongsong snong ke Meghalaya baro kawai bat ula kerpat kamtam bandon ya ke jingya teli bat ke jingsuk ha ke Jylla. Na kaliang uba Preston Tensong ula kerpat kerpang ya ke jingker khu jong ukpa bakhoj na benta ke Jylla Meghalaya baro kawai. Laya thu ba ukpa bakhoj ula ai ke jingker khu bat ke jing penslur jong u rengkat ke jingken tu bandon ke jinge trelang ha pedeng kinong yalam jong ke Jylla bat kinong syarai mensim jong ke balang ban wanra ya ke jingsuk bat ke jinge teli ha ke Jylla. Ha ka wei ke jingja ka bala penkendit threat ya ki babun balang ka bala ja ha ka no phai sngi ar phoi tarik Nailar ha ba wei ubre ula hab na lai mala jong ka parking lot ka badan hathem yo maulong ha ka por kumbat saw baje aa. Yau ne ubreu la tip ika kerteng jong u naka adhar card baki pulit kila yo naka met jong u kum uba donistar khar kongor uba shong basa hamau khar Shillong. Kat kum kitelong Khubor bala yo lum laong ba uni ubreu udei ubala sho kawyang ula na lai mala hakateka parking lot bat ula hap shapo madan halor ka longkumi ka badang yad lenti nangta. Ki pulit kila kit no wood ya u sha civil hospital. Namar ka jingben saw kala jur la kenria no ya u Negrims Hospital. Kani kalong kumi kala mensaw na ka jingban uni urang ba ubahap na lai mala. Lakit lang ya karu sa Shillong Civil Hospital banyo ki jing sumar.
Saya pilih dia. Kau saya faham saya.
Kan National Tobacco Control Program NTCP haka arpoi tarik Nailar kala rakhi ka program pelat ya ka Meghalaya na uduma Tobacco Free Meghalaya haga jingelang kabala long ha State Convention Center Shillong. Deputy Superintendent of Police DSP ba ai ding do haga jingkran haki khna school bat ki Samla puli haga ni ka sngi ula ong. Kadai ka badan kam ban penlong ya kum kini ki program khnang ban penpriang bat ban pensyai pat ba tang ya ka jingkta ni ka jingma ka ba mi haba pendan kam ya ki duma Hendrei dan kam ban tebru ya ka an COTPA. Ula ong badan kam ban pentre kam ya ka ni ka an namar hapo ka ni ka an ki dan ki kendon haka section 6B kabalakran halor ki breu bat ki try dukan ki bade ya ki duma hapo shispa yat ka jingjingai na ki skul bat ki wei ki jaka puli. Ula kedo hapo ka an kinu ki ba penkhen ya ki kendon jo ka an ladan kuna ars pa tengka. Ula benrap baka ne ka jingdan kuna kadang long ka baduna namar kata ula a jingmut ban penkeu ya ka kuna lengba ka jing penkala bat penjana ya ka nikaan khnang ban bat lakam me ki breu ban nam de duma hapo shispa yat ka jingjingai na ki skul bat ki jaka puli Hakajuk kapor uba ai deng do ula ong ban pendu bat ban penduna ya ka jingdan ki breu ki ba pendan kam ya ki duma don kam ka jinga trelang nadu ki tenat tre kam ka sorkar bat ki pal ba hasnong hathau ula ong baro shikata nadu usnam 8,000 saw hado 8,000 arpo ar ki tenat tre kam ka sorkar kum ka police department education department health department bat ki wei ki tre kam la ka jong ka bor Menta kini ki department kila sedang banyak trelang shrup kawai ka bor ban bat lakam ban penduna ya ka jing pendan kam ya ki jat pagi jat jing ba ni jing di duma hakane ka jing elang lapen kup buram ru ya ki khna skul ki samla pule bat ya ka tenat pulit na ki keleng ki jaka ka Jylla ki bala penok baha ban penpriang ya ka khubor ban sange ban kiar na ka jing pendan kam ya uduma
Tobacco free Meghalaya will also bring about a drug-free Meghalaya. Why do we need such programs like today? We need to understand that such programs they spread awareness not only about the ill effects of tobacco use, but also of Khuborjylla, us having an act like Khuborjylla. Now, when we talk about Khuborjylla, we know that it is a good act, but we also need for Khuborjylla to be amended. Why do I speak about amendment? Now, if you look at Section 6B of Khuborjylla, Section 6B talks about shop owners selling tobacco products within 100 yards of educational institutions. It is an offence. Now, what is the penalty for it? It is up to 200 rupees. Now, when you talk about repeat offenders, it still remains up to 200 rupees. This act needs to be amended. Why? Because repeat offenders should have a higher penalty. Let's say second offense 10,000 rupees, third offense 1 lakh rupees. This, I'm telling you, will go a long way in ensuring that no shopkeepers sell tobacco products within 100 yards of any educational institution. See, like what I've told you earlier, we need the involvement of everyone. Doctor showed how students are playing a part in spreading awareness. She also mentioned about the villagers in villages, how they are playing a part as well, their part as well. I request all take forward this message that using of tobacco will have an adverse or negative impact on not only the family, the state, but the country as a whole. Thank you.
Kasorkar Meghalaya kalathung kakunhun. Langut ki dekhot bakerpang ban jurib bat ban wat benya ya ka jingrung jong ki breu na Bangladesh shakilai tili Kishnong ha Southwest Khasi Hills. Ki dekhot jong kani ka kunhun kilong u marathon sangma MLA Mandipathar uba Himalaya M Shangpliang bat uba K Nongrem. Kani ka kunhun kalaya kundu ya kinong ya lambat ki patba ki balami renti na lai tili Kishnong kaput bat ka Bangladesh. Hakani ka jingalang markmat bat ki patba. Lawat jingtip na kinong yalam shnong, kumno ki breu ka Bangladesh kila rung jubor sa kishnong kari India. Kita kibriu na Bangladesh kila persang ban thom da kabor ya kibriu hakishnong khaput. Ki pulit rangba na Southwest Khasi Hills District ru kila danlang hakane ka jingelang padba. Kinoyalam na kishnong khaput hakane ka sngi kila airu ya ki dorkhas yakane ka kenhun jurib. Lakar pad ka sorkar ban penklan shu ya ki bor pahara hakishnong khaput. 4 yo jingtip AA na kaliang jong kanika kenhun jurib ki A ki jing ai jing mut jongka syaka sorkar Jylla.
Minister in charge home ilapha yakane ka official delegation kaba yalam da Sri Marthon Samla balong advisor jong ka sorkar rengkat bat yanga nalong ru advisor ka sorkar bat kumju bat ya uba Khubor nongrem balong unong ilam na kanika than bat uba bat re ka post vice chairman for ka sorkar tengi laingut matasi nilai poi bat nilai lej ban ya kendo ya kipai ba nong snong nengkong akonjoy bat nilai ya selok ya kipai ba bat kalau don ka jing kuntu nak leng pai ba ban de ban bo ya ki anti the quality camp bat bantang hapli shu ya ki police outpost padang don de sya ki jing jong kipai ba ki shem hakni ka than hakikam development ya kaba kila submit ya ka memorandum hangi bat ngingin sa penpoy ya kini memorandum sya not honorable chief minister dungi hadin kata ngi poi haka shnorang dongdai kade gane ka shnong kaba kini ki kharbangla kila rung jubor bat kila persyang bandra ban kidnap ya uwe unong snong ubade haka tu snong andre da kajing ya pertasla ki lami ki paiba bakila yo ban bat ya ki katukat ningut kitu ki nong persyang berabor ki bawan na Bangladesh te kani ka snong ila ai mensim ki nilai don rekat bat USP jongka Southwest Khasi Hills bat hangtohi USP jongka Southwest Khasi Hills ula kular ba lasai kesngihi on wanra no ya ki anti the quality camp but on bo de ya ki pulit ban pahara ya katu ka sinong but kumjo de don jing kentu na kaliang USP ba ide bangin constitute ya ki BDP namar hakine ki sinong pompat don BDP tengiru ni la persanjur ya kata de terwa pada ban bo ya ki BDP ban apa hara ya ka sinong hadin kata ngi poi sa mahai sekolah ba mahai sekolah ru kumju ngi osno ki Khubor ba don kalenti ya jong kini ki khar Bangladesh ki bayat na katu ka lenti mahai sekolah bat kila prung lengba ka fencing ka bala pat bala pra ba kila yo ban rung na kata ka fencing syakene syapo ka rijungi de keladon kencing tu bang ide bangin pek bahaya kini ki fencing bagi don bon ki fencing border fencing kide bala pra bala rim gila jot bat don de ba syara ka de kita ba ki kentu ba ide bangin maromot ya kini ki fencing nang ban yada ya ka jing krung tu jong kini ki khar Bangladesh
Kalalong ka jingkemen ka bakraw ya kipat ba kasnong nong thamai makdo siang kabadon hakaput Assam Hamauhati constituency. Habau ba Charles Marngar MLA Mauhati ulalet jingo hakasin ka bandingkong. Uba Charles Marngar ulet banyu kejat hakani kasnong hakakat kendai tarik Nailar Hajar Arpusan. Haka jingelang bakerpang hayeng dorbar snong layakran sani halor ki kampen roy bakani kasnong hadu menta kadang duna shikat deye. Kijing abat jing duna baki pat ba kani kasnong ki akendu kilong ka umbam umdi ka boarding elektrik balabu jing hakalet kawan bat kakit ka ba. Uba Charles Marngar hakani kasngi ula IT de ki solar light system ka way ka balang Catholic bat ka way pat ya ka balang Presbyterian. Ula kular ban penbiang ya ka surok lengba ka border scheme bat en sedang no banti shwa tang ya ka surok kendo na surok siang amdu bighat ban penyeso syakasnong nong thamai makdo ka bajengai kumbasan kilometer ya ka rong en sa siang kam hadin ula ong
UP
Kani to katong yonga kawa wa wana chinong yopi. Selama dadap kana dadap ongai gini wa. Chisen kasngi the one batch chinong yopi. Di yopi hakini kisnam giwa the line ro. Uniu surok si oreo. Tetangga garila kamu ongpi. Chemjing one sini. Te kam tu how dadap kerei. Nakaliang gini gilidar yung i dadap kana gi yang ongki. But Charles kat ni the darap sukhi. Darap sukhi. Wan not chachnong i te nakaliang yung ngales nyau komen over. Hagani kesngi kanito kesngi kawasa jingkan mo ni mentag jing im yung UP ke wi ke chnong orlong chodali ke chnong ko yung gini jong ba pan bahab kwi kwi ngato MLA wan kong wa po ke chnong yung ki te hani le kam te himo nyau ba don bok chwa dalai luti ki tangwa long open man meeting kam ni we cham pi kam ni try ngato wi ni wi ni kinong mi kmat ki wa nang kong dio po ye chnong yung pi des nyau komen o e buram pi blechibun ni mentag ni jing is nyau baha ke jong pi ni mentai yonga kani to ko buram ko wa e pi nga te kani ke jingwan yonga mentag sngi ni chnong yung pi i mto wa kwa won pa ye kani ke chnong yung pi ko khian ke jing sket o poi chani to ke jing kro ke jing he men sim yung pi o kwa wan chani mto o khian chnong pi snyau thu hawa kalambi kemen sim yung pi wa kwa pi chamo amle snyau thu hawa ye chamo pi snyau thu hawa pi MP kene kemen sim ko wa dik dik kwa pi amle yana kaliang yonga wan poi cheni ke chnong yung pi sai chi sen ong biang wa mto wa to ke chnong ko khen to ki bru ki wa he men sim ki wa krom sim ite daw poi cheni chnong yung pi te gi jing e ki wa nakaliang yung pi dadep khana pi dadep tang pi yu pi kani kini ki jing e kini ki surok uniu surok wa san kilometer mo san kilometer no emo to san kilometer uniu surok nakaliang yonga adu ne porowan yupi poyam siang ngada ongi gini wa ngau nya ai gari kwa unya giwi wa kwa usnyau thu ta kamun man kani surok aporo lai cho long chadali le kamte ngau nya gari te kapor wa yak sa ne ta la mo snyau bang ada snyau bang e yupi kejengwan yonga kwa utip hadu kat no si uni surok hadu kat no chem jing epi te kejengwan yonga hagani kesngi pi kwa o tang ban chu pelong meeting kwa o tang u chui chem opi te kejengwan yonga kwa o pensa jingkan
Kasorkar Jylla kala nyokor yaki mati bala penno bha daki pulit anti narcotic task force. Daka ba penkup burom prangut ki dekhot jongka ANTF haka arpuai tarik Nailar. Menteri Social Welfare ba pol lengdo ulalong ukongsan bad ula pen khamti yaki busket bad memento hakini prangut. Hakani ke jingelang penkup burom ladan langru USP ANTF Giri Prasad, Director ke Dream Mission ba Francis Kharshying ki pulit ANTF hakini ki snam bat ki benai balala kira sei borba ban penduk jaj ki drok bad ki breu ki bakhayi bat di yakini ki jingdi penbuat nalor kata USP ula ongru tang hauni usnam arhajar arpusan kata hau benai Nailar ka ANTF kala yo kem hadu khandai pusan ngut ki nong khayi drok haka Jylla ulaya thu ru nakibabun ki jaka balayo kem drok daki ANTF bat ki pulit dei na ribhoy bat East Giant Hills Ulaong, dangshan haka jinga trelang hapadeng ka ANTF bat ki pulit layo kurup drok basyong dor sau poklur tengka na East Giant Hills. Nalor kata ulaong ru, hakisan senam balala lakem hadu shihajar hendriu pawengut ki nongde bat nong hayi drok bat la register case hadu hendriu spa laingut.
All the awardees and personnel of ANTF, it is indeed a moment of pride for the ANTF that we are assembling here today. It's barely 7 months since we had launch of this directorate, the inauguration of this directorate by our Honorable Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister in charge home, where I was also present. And since then, ANTF has been growing from strength to strength. In terms of space, we are here in a small room. But when it comes to our mission and our aspirations, they are beyond any capacity to be quantified. And we would like to continue to pursue with that mission more. Because it is this very vital operation and the task before us will decide what kind of future the state of Meghalaya will have. I have made an effort to get this program organized here today because a lot of the time the police department keeps drawing flag, keeps throwing undue criticism. Just a few months back, when the infamous murder at Sora occurred, even before the case could be solved and even before the victim could be immediately found, the body of the victim could be found. I think I should share this with you with a lot of pride that I spoke to the media and said that we have a very efficient police department. The name of Meghalaya will be cleared and the Meghalaya police will come out stronger.
Badak itu ki Khubor nglapoy siya kapakot, tarhado bangin daya siyambiyang kublay sibon.